One of the most commonly asked questions that we get is about customer association. How do I make sure that Microsoft knows exactly who we're working with and how we're working with them? So today we're going to take a look at Partner Admin Link, commonly called PAL, and how you can associate yourself to your customers' Azure environments. Let's dive in. So I've brought up portal.azure.com. And here you can see with this particular environment, I'm logged in with an admin account at let's say this is a customer account, and this is just an M365 demo account. But if I log in here, if this was ABC company, how is Microsoft going to know that I work for the partner masters unless I tell them? So the whole idea of PAL, Partner Admin Link, is simply associating your partner ID number to the identity that your customers give to you to access their environment. So it's a very easy process. So if I click on settings, I go down to the bottom, Microsoft Partner Network, and then I put in my partner ID here. Now, another important thing with the partner ID is it must be a location ID. It's not going to be your partner one ID. It must be a location ID. Once I put in my partner ID, say link to a partner ID, it now says the current partner, the partner masters. The only thing that I've done in this entire environment is I've associated this identity with this partner ID. There's no security changes. There's no more information that I'm going to be able to receive. The only thing I've done is somewhere in a table, it says that I work for the partner masters, and all subscriptions that I have access to are now associated with this ID. So if we go into the Microsoft Docs site, you'll see, I'll put this link in the down below for you to take a look at. But when you look through this, it tells you all the details about how to link, which we just went through all of that. But I want to show a couple of things that they call out in here. So the first thing that I want to call out is who can link to the partner ID. So any user from a partner organization who manages a customer Azure resource can link to a partner ID in the account. So the best practice that we follow is every single person, as soon as they get access to a customer environment, goes through this process. Can a partner ID be changed? Absolutely. So you can change your partner ID, but again, it's identity based, so only that person can do it. If a user has an account in more than one customer tenant, they should do it for every single customer tenant. So if you have a customer ABC, you want to go into customer ABC. If you have XYZ, you want to go into that identity as well, and also associate your partner ID to every one of the customer accounts that you have access to. Can other partners or customers edit or remove the link? No, only you, because it is associated to you, can remove the partner ID link. Now, if a customer wants to remove access, all they have to do is remove your access, and that is everything that they need to do. But no one has access to change your partner ID except for the person's identity that is. Okay? So if we scroll down a little bit more, I want to call out a couple more things. How do I explain Partner Admin Link to my customers? Well, here it says Partner Admin Link, or PAL, enables Microsoft to identify and recognize those partners who are helping customers achieve business objectives and realize value in the cloud. Customers must first provide access to the Azure resource, and once the access is granted, the partner's Microsoft Cloud Partner Program ID is associated. This association helps Microsoft understand the ecosystem of the IT providers and to refine the tools and programs needed to best support the common customers. Now, really important is the next one. What data does PAL collect? The PAL association to existing credentials provides no new customer data to Microsoft. It simply provides the information to Microsoft where a partner is actively involved in a customer Azure environment. Microsoft can attribute influence and ACR from that customer to the partner organization based on the account's permission and scope. This is really important to note. There's nothing additional that the partner has access to. There's nothing more that happens other than the partner ID is associated with the identity. Does this impact the security of a customer's environment? PAL association only adds partner's ID to the credential already provisioned, and it doesn't alter any permissions or provide the Azure service data to partner or Microsoft. Really important details. So I hope that you found this extremely helpful. It's really important for you to get your customers associated to your partnership for a couple of reasons. One, you want Microsoft to know where you're working. But two, there could be incentives behind it for you as well. We'll talk about that in a future video. Thanks so much for listening. We look forward to talking to you in a future video.